I'm Chap Briard with MoBiz, and for over 90 years we've been taking care of your needs right here in North Louisiana. And as we've all become technology dependent, MoBiz believes that we should stay one step ahead of technology, and we are one step ahead. We offer one-call support for all things technology. So tired of calling multiple vendors to have problems resolved? Call MoBiz. We offer support for smartphones, tablets, copiers, faxes, line of business software. MoBiz can guide you through those with our technology plan. Thank you so much for the opportunity to earn your business.
Hi, I'm Darren Denny, Director of Network Services for MoBiz. Last year we introduced you to the Ricoh Ultra Short Throw Projector here at MoBiz, and this year we would like to reintroduce the new model, the PJ-WX4141NI. This year some radical changes for the series, and essentially what they've done is gotten rid of most of the wires. Last year when you were using the interactive stylus, there was a module that had to hang on the wall. This year it's very much wireless. There's a little USB stick that goes in your computer, and it's ready to be wireless and mobile. So I want to show you a few things about how we've been using it in our office. And the first thing I want to show you is that you can use it as your mouse. Standing back away from the board, you can double click, you can open things. So in this case, I was going to show you how I would use it for my PowerPoint presentation. And I want to show you my slideshow. And once it's open, I can click through my slides without having to touch a mouse, and I can walk around the room and have a conversation with people. At the same time, we can flip through all the slides and go through it. And then if I wanted to write on the screen, say I found something interesting on the screen that I wanted to write on, I could literally open up the screen to write on the desktop. It opens up my portal to allow me to say, okay, well look, let's go back to that one slide we were talking about being able to give somebody something. We're talking about, you know, the humble pie issues. And you say, okay, well, if I don't want to call it Great Idea Exchange, I want to call it something else, you know, the Humble Pie Exchange. I can do that. And once I've made all those notes, I can still email that out to the people who needed to be involved in that conversation. The other thing that you can use this for, not only as your mouse and not only as a writing tool, but you can open up, and what I've done in the past is I can open up a Google Maps and say I needed to have a conversation about, in this case, one of my clients that is a very large operation, and we needed to redo some wiring for them. So I wanted to have a conversation with my wiring crew and say, let's talk about the lines that we're going to run. And we know the computer room is over here at the plant, and I need to pull wires over here to make sure the computers are running. I then can save this document, email it to him so that he can go back and estimate how many feet of wire he needs to pull, etc., and helps me with more of an interactive quote when I'm talking with a vendor, when I'm talking with anybody that needs to be involved in the project. And I find that to be very valuable. I also like the fact that it's got an interactive whiteboard as well. So again, I can have a meeting, I can share the meeting, I can save the meeting, and email it to all the people that needed to be involved. So, you know, we wanted to talk about 2015. Again, you can see there's no wires. I can have an interactive conversation with everybody in the room. I can even write on the board while I'm nowhere near the board. If I needed to circle something, or if I wanted to go back over here and change the colors, if I wanted to add a grid. So let's talk about, you know, a 10 by 10 room. Okay, well here's, you know, here's 20 feet by 20 feet, whatever it is. So whatever firm, if I'm architectural, engineering, just general business, even K through 12 could find this as a valuable tool, because you can import pictures, export as PDF, everybody can get involved. This is just one of the many features of where we are headed as a company when we talk about unified communications, when we talk about document handling on the front end, document handling on the back end. We are all things technology. We are MoBiz.
Thank you so much for the opportunity to earn your business.